This is a wheel. This is another wheel. This is a pile of dirt. Now, why do we need 2 wheels and a pile of dirt? Well, we really don't need the pile of dirt, but I've got this mini bike frame here and all the parts to build a full mini bike. Let's do this thing.
Nice gloveless fingers you got there.
Yeah, they're pretty good. They're in style this season. Okay, this is the front wheel. I've got the bearing here. We're gonna put an axle through and connect it to the front. This is a drum brake. It goes on the inside of the tire here, and it stops the vehicle, because that's what brakes do. Here's our engine. It's a 220cc Predator engine. I finally got the throttle worked out, and it's literally just this brake. Speaking of brakes, our brake doesn't work. That could possibly have to do with the fact that it's completely disconnected, but we'll look past that. Just kidding, we won't look past that. Let's weld this shit. I've got the chain hooked up. Let's add the other gear. And now our chain. I'm not comfortable with the chain being this loose, so I'm gonna weld a tensioner like right here. Alright, both chains are on and I've attached them with bolts.
Yep. Okay. Okay.
Unfortunately, while at the beach, I crashed this thing into the ocean a few times. It worked while I was there, but now it just doesn't work at all. The engine doesn't even have a spark. Even better, my camera decided to record in VGA, which is like the lowest resolution. So that really sucks. I know the action sequence is lacking, but I hope you liked the video anyway. I'll see you guys next time.